the first step, I have cut two cardboards into same size like an oval. Now from a waste paper bag, I have taken a rope like this. You can use jute rope or just paper rope. Now we'll be placing this rope here, and then we'll be putting some white glue. And we'll be sticking it. And put some glue. Now in another piece of oval cardboard, I have stuck A4 sheet here, and now I will be sticking it. Make sure you stick it very tightly. After sticking tightly, we have to put masking tape in all the edges, and then we have to paint it black color. In all the edges, I have stuck masking tape and then painted it with black color. At the back side also, I have stuck a piece of A4 sheet. Now I will be taking a piece of cardboard and then I will be cutting it. You have to cut it in rectangle shape like this. You can have a look. I have made. Now in my oval cardboard, I have just cut it some pieces and then I have placed it. I have arranged it. Now after arranging the whole thing, we have to stick it using white glue. In my oval cardboard, I have stuck these small pieces of cardboard which I have shown you. Like this, we have to paste it very nicely in the form of bricks. In the middle, just draw S-like shape. And then we'll dip our brush in white color paint and then we'll paint it. Make sure that you only paint in the S part where we have drawn. In the S part only you have to put the paint, white color. For the S shape, after painting white color, I have given double coating. It will look attractive. Now, let us paint with a sandal-like color. I have made this by adding white and yellow color. You will get this color. We have to paint sandal color all this region. Make sure you don't paint sandal color in the edges, in the surrounding here, because we are going to give a dark effect. In the border of S also you have to give like this with sandal coating. Make sure that the S part shouldn't see. Give a double coat for the sandal color also. Then it would look more nice. Now in the surrounding of sandal color, I'll just paint dark brown color. Just give it a shade. Nicely. Now give a shadow. Lightly we have to touch with brown color. It will look like shadow. In the surrounding we have to give like this effect. In some alternative bricks, just give light shades, not too heavy paint. Some light effect should be given. Don't give it too dark. Don't dip more paint. You have to just use less paint for this. In the middle part of the bricks, just give light shades. In the dark part, just give some bricks like shadow. Now let me show you how to make paper rose. For that, in the first step, draw in the shape I am drawing, like a circle. Now after drawing, we'll be cutting it. You can take many colors of paper and you have to make many rows. Now let me cut it. Make sure that you cut it very carefully. You have to be very careful in the cutting process. Now in the edge part, we'll cut it. We don't need it. Now the excess of paper we'll separate. We'll start rolling it. In this stage, I will give you a tip. this part should be very tight. For that, you can also apply some glue, and then if you start rolling your bud, your rose, it will tightly stick, and then it would not be a very big problem for you to roll. When you come to the last stage of rolling the rose, it would be very loose, so make sure you catch it very tightly. Do not leave the rose from your hand, otherwise it would slip off. Now we have come to the last part, and then we'll just apply some glue in this part. You can have a look in the down part. Apply a little bit more glue, and then just leave your rose like this. It will spill off itself, and then here you go. Let's take it tightly, and then now our complete rose is ready.
Fold like this. Rose shape.
Here I have made many different colors of paper roses using many different sheets of paper. After painting the bricks, we'll apply some glue and then stick a leaf in a green sheet of paper. I have cut out the shape of a leaf, and then now we'll again put some glue, and then we'll stick a red rose, and then again stick our blue colored rose, then we'll stick orange colored rose. Now I have stuck all the rose and leaf using white glue. Now in this process I will be showing you how to make a tissue paper rose. For that I'll be showing you the steps. We have to cut off the side part. We have to cut it. This is the opening side, and this is the closing side. In the closing side we have to draw a petal like shape. Don't draw in the opening side. After cutting, now we will be opening it. there will be many petals inside, so carefully you have to open. Now our paper flower is ready. I have inserted my white roses in a stick and painted the stick in green color, and I have also cut a use and throw glass into half, and I stuck the white color A4 sheet. In my paper cup I have given 2 coatings of golden. Let me put some glue gun, and now we'll stick it. Make sure you stick it very hardly. Now let me keep my paper roses. After keeping the paper roses, now our wall decor is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sidra's Infotainment. Please let me know how is this wall decor looking, and please try this in your home. You will really love this. Thank you for watching my video.